Okay, we are recording. At this point, it is time to talk about how event flags can affect smart widgets. Let's see. What flags do we need here? Stormy has earplugs. That's going to be the first one. Let's see. You know what? Let's keep it simple and just go with that one. I was going to set things up so that if Thunder Artist becomes aware that Blue Storm's ears hurt, he will refuse to make any more thunder until you fix that problem. But that would just add complexity to the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is go to the bridge layer here, edit Stormy, go to controls and this thunder ouch requirement. Let's see, this flag must be off, which is Stormy has earplugs. Click OK here. Collapse the layers menu. I really need to add some way of exporting and importing these types of widgets here, but that can come later. And then go here to Thunder Artist, edit, name and faceplate. Okay, it's under chat. Dialogue and scripting, add a dialogue. Stormy ears, I'll call that. I'll set the color, let's see, I'll give it blue. Show this one, select speaker, player character, rainbow dash. Did Blue Storm just cover his head with his wings? Wait, new line. I thought you and he loved thunderstorms. Select speaker, current NPC. We do, but he's just getting over an ear infection. Maybe he's, new line, worried that loud thunder might hurt his ears. Now I'll add that to this dialog branch here. Let's see, add option. Did Blue Storm cover his head? Okay, no requirements. I'll just leave it at the bottom here. It's a little bit tacky because the thing at the bottom should usually be the goodbye one. So click OK there. Then for Twilight, go to her dialogue and let's see, this control weather one, add dialogue. Let's call this give earplugs. And I'll just make it dark green. Player character, rainbow dash. Hey Twilight, do you happen to have any earplugs? Blue Storm could use some, and I don't know whether that's off the edge. I guess it doesn't matter. I can auto new line it later. Select speaker, current NPC. Oh, I have a spell that'll make our rain hats as ear protection. Then I'll add the command to set flag on. Stormy has earplugs. Click OK, click OK. Save it as rain test 32. No need to pack it. Bring up the game. Load up 32 here. You know, it's funny, I have both load and restore. Load is for loading up a custom level, restore is for restoring a saved game. Let's try this, make a big boom of thunder, and he covers his head. Unfortunately, you need to actually have it be raining in order for the dialogue to pop up. Alright, he still does that. And I forgot to actually put that in the dialogue choice, so I will fix that. I'm keeping the mistakes in here so that you can easily, or more easily, figure out how to correct mistakes later. Control weather, add option. Do you have earplugs? No requirements. Dialogue to jump to. Give earplugs. Click OK. OK. Save this as rain test 32. Yes, overwrite. No need to pack it. Never mind. Rain test 32. Here we go again. Alright, make it rain, Twilight. Okay. Big boom of thunder, and he covers his head there. Talk again. Did Blue Storm cover his head? It doesn't do anything. That's weird. I guess it must end the dialogue or something. Alright, obviously I made another mistake. Chat. Starter. Stormy ears. Click OK, click OK. And bring up the main one, save as rain test 32 for the third time. It's easy to make a mistake when the editor is this complex, but if I simplify it, then it becomes less powerful and you can do less stuff with it. Did Blue Storm just cover his head with his wings? I thought you and he loved the rainstorms. We do, but he's just getting over an ear infection. Maybe he's worried that loud thunder might hurt his ears? And I forgot to new line it. You know what? Forget it. I'll just do that some other time. At this point, he should have ear protection, so I'm going to talk to him and make a big boom of thunder, and as you can see, he does not cover his ears. So that's how event flags can control this stuff. Oh, by the by, you notice how Thunder Artist properly switches from talking to not talking to splashing in the puddles. There's a couple glitches with that, but I have added some switch rules that make it a little bit more convenient to switch from behaviors where it is raining and behaviors where it's not. So let me show you. Thunder Artist here. Let's see, Stand Watch has this switch rule. If it stops raining, which is this closed umbrella and rainbow icon here, then it switches to the default one. Go into switch rules and you can say as soon as it starts to rain or as soon as it stops raining. And then if it enters this behavior, or if any tick of the clock happens during this behavior and it's not raining, then it'll switch to the default behavior there, which is this one that I've added. Puddle Dance, it's the same way. I have the to the right of and to the left of switch rules here. If it stops raining, then Puddle Dance switches to default. Default, if it starts raining, which is this dark cloud with a single drop out of it, then Thunder Artist switches to Puddle Dance. So that's how all of that works.